Say hi, Anita. It's juice. Molly. All right. Yes. Don't forget there's meat in this tail. I told you, never pull this out either. Up. Garlic butter. Lots of garlic butter. Don't do that. Never do.